On Sundays, I like to slow down and prepare a few simple meals for the week ahead. Lately, we have been staying in a temporary apartment, so life and the meals have looked a little simpler than usual. Having a few freezer meals ready makes weeknight dinners feel a little calmer, especially on tired evenings. Today, I'm preparing 4 simple Japanese freezer meals that I often rely on during busy weeks. The first freezer meal I'm making this week is a simple miso simmered mackerel. It's one of those classic Japanese home-style meals that both kids and adults tend to love. For the marinade, I'm using miso. Mirin, sake, soy sauce, fresh ginger, and a little oligosaccharide syrup for gentle sweetness and gut-friendly support. Pouring hot water over the fish helps remove some of the smell and keeps the flavor cleaner and gentler. Marinating meals like this not only helps the flavor soak in beautifully, but also makes weeknight cooking feel much easier later on. By Monday evening, I'm usually already a little tired after picking up the kids. So having the miso mackerel already prepared really helps on evenings like this. I simply added everything to a pan, sauce and all, and let it simmer gently. While the fish cooks, I quickly make a simple pear shoot salad. I warm up the mushroom miso soup I made earlier that morning. Japanese dinners are often very simple like this, just a few small things together. Warm rice, soup, fish, seaweed, and vegetables. Most weeknights, it's usually just me and the kids at dinner time while my husband is still at work. Nothing complicated, but it always feels comforting at the end of our busy day. In the mornings, I usually steam a few vegetables and make miso soup while breakfast is cooking. Doing a little bit ahead of time makes dinner feel much easier later in the day. The next freezer meal is a simple ginger pork stir-fry. Ginger pork is one of the most classic Japanese home-style meals. I keep the seasonings very simple with soy sauce, ginger, sake, and a little sweetness. As the pork and onions marinate together, they absorb all the flavor while staying really tender. Pork is naturally rich in vitamin B, and together with fresh ginger, it's a meal that feels especially comforting and nourishing on tired days. Meals like this make busy evenings feel much less stressful later in the week. By Tuesday evening, I'm usually back home with the kids, feeling a little tired again. I added the ginger pork straight into the pan, sauce and all, and let it cook gently together. This day, I didn't thaw it quite enough beforehand. So if you try freezer meals like this, I definitely recommend moving them to the refrigerator the night before. I also reheat some frozen rice to help dinner come together a little faster. Meals like this really help on evenings when I don't have much energy left to cook. Tonight dinner is ginger pork rice balls, maitake miso soup, pickles, and the leftover prosciutto salad from yesterday. I also love adding an egg yolk on top for extra richness and comfort. The third freezer meal is a miso mayo salmon with mushrooms. It's rich, savory, and one of my favorite ways to cook salmon during busy weeks. For the sauce, I mix together miso, mayonnaise, mirin, and a little oligosaccharide syrup for gentle sweetness. Then I added shimeji mushrooms and a sliced Japanese leek to the back together with the salmon. I added a little water to the pan. Then gently steam everything together until the salmon and the vegetables become soft and flavorful. While that cooks, I quickly make a simple carrot sesame salad. I microwave thinly sliced carrot, then toss them with ground sesame, soy sauce, and a little sesame oil. Simple side dishes like this make Japanese meals feel balanced without adding too much extra work. Tonight's dinner is miso mayo salmon with mushrooms, carrot sesame salad, tofu, and wakame miso soup, barley rice, and pickles. Meals like this make busy evenings feel a little softer somehow. The fourth freezer meal is a salt lemon chicken. For the marinade, I mix together olive oil, sesame oil, salt, and a little chicken bouillon powder. The rich chicken and the fresh lemon make this meal feel both comforting and refreshing. I cut the chicken. Slice the lemon. Slice Japanese leek to the back. By Thursday evening, I'm usually craving something a little more hearty and satisfying. Tonight, I simply cook everything together in a pan until the chicken becomes golden and fragrant. Tonight's dinner is salt lemon chicken, the leftover carrot sesame salad from yesterday, maitake miso soup, barley rice, pickles, and vegetables. Dinner comes together very quickly this way, which really helps on busy evenings. I hope this video gave you a few gentle ideas to make healthy meals feel a little easier and more realistic during the week.